Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable safe mode on startup in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to disable safe mode on startup, so very easy. Firstly, click on Star plus R key. Star plus R key. Type here msconfig. MSCONFIG. Click on OK. And second option, but click on but. And if you want to disable safe boot, so uncheck this box. And if you want to enable, so check this box. And if you want to disable, so uncheck this box. After, click on apply, click on OK, and here option exit without restart, so click it. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to disable safe boot in on startup in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.